Hello, welcome to my channel. This is new Cesar. I am an artist, a singer, songwriter, a performer, a therapist, and I'm so happy and grateful that God gave me so many beautiful things to share with you, and here I am. But before I begin, I would like to ask you to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And also please don't forget to share my videos. And without further ado, let's begin. The exercise today is a nice one. It's very fun to do. It can be an exercise and at the same time a dance move for pop music. And the name of this exercise is Step Punch. Step Punch. Okay, let's get into it. Step punch, step punch, step punch, step punch. Right, left, front, front. Step punch, step punch, step punch, step punch. Right, left, front, front. This exercise improves your flexibility, improves your balance. It also increases your range of motion, and it's fun to do. It's fun to do. I love it. It's an exercise at the same time a dance move. I hope you enjoy it. Keep moving. Thank you. Love and peace.